If you've inherited a house in Curtice, Ohio, or if you have a house in Curtice, Ohio, and you're going through a probate type of situation, this video is for you. My name is Dave Payerchin, and for over 14 years, myself and my team has been buying houses in Curtice, Ohio. And when we buy houses, we pay cash and we buy them in their as-is condition. So we've worked with a lot of sellers over the years who have inherited the property, or it's a probate type of situation. So that tells us, first off, you probably already have enough on your plate. There might be attorneys involved in the court, and inheriting a property, it could be overwhelming. And the last thing we ever want to do is add to your stress. We want to keep it simple for you. And the way we're going to do that is we'll buy the property in its as-is condition. That means you don't got to fix anything. You don't need to clean anything. You don't need to haul anything away. Anything that you want out of the house, we'll actually help you get it out of there if we need to help you coordinate movers or whatever the case is. But you can take with you any family belongings or family heirlooms and collectibles. Anything that you just don't want or don't need, you can leave behind, and you're never going to be asked to fix anything. We'll truly buy the house in its as-is condition. And what allows us to buy houses in their as-is condition is we're a cash buyer. So that means we're not relying on a lender's approval. There's no application process on our end. There's no formal appraisal that's going to get sent through the house, and now a formal inspection, because oftentimes they're just going to nitpick the house anyway, and now you're giving all the power and the control to this third-party lender. This is what traditional buyers do. We're not a traditional buyer. When you work with a traditional buyer, oftentimes they have a real estate agent with them. They're going to expect you to pay commissions. They're going to expect you to pay closing costs. Hopefully their loan goes through, or else they're going to cancel on you and leave you right back to where you started. You're going to have certainty with us. You're not going to have to jump through any of these hoops whatsoever, and you're going to be able to pick your own closing date. Since there's no third-party approvals, if you want to close quickly, we could close quickly, or if you want to create something more flexible for yourself, if you would like to close at some point in the future, you just let us know what your needs are, and we're going to accommodate your needs. So if you've inherited a house in Curtice, Ohio, give us a call at 614-300-5151, or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. I know it says Columbus in the website name. That's just because we were founded in Columbus, but we're very active buyers in Curtice, Ohio, all over Toledo, Ohio, and all over the great state of Ohio. And when we get on the phone with you, it's a very easy conversation. We just need to know more about the house and then know more about the timeline that you're wanting to work with. So we're going to make you a fair cash offer on the house. If it works for you, great. We're going to close quickly and communicate effectively this entire time. If our offer doesn't work for you, no problem. We'll simply shake hands and part as friends. We're never going to add pressure or fake urgency or sales tactics or gimmicks or anything like that. We are local here in Ohio. We're not some call center located in some foreign distant land who's trying to talk to you about your house in Ohio. We're going to treat you like a neighbor, because that's exactly what you are to us, and we're going to be fair from the very first phone call all the way until we get to the closing table. So our phone number, once again, is 614-300-5151, or visit us online. You'll fill out a little form and we'll get on the phone. Our website is sellhousecolumbus.com. We buy inherited houses in Curtice, Ohio, and we buy properties in Curtice that are going through a probate type of situation. We're going to help you make it very easy. We'll work with any parties involved, from other family members, attorneys, or anything that we need to do to accommodate. And we look forward to speaking with you, and we look forward to working with you.